Hey, I'm Alan Brito, I'm an architect, and today I have a tutorial about a new feature from Blender 5.1, which is a new snapping option. Yeah, if you use Blender for anything related to architecture, design, or precise 3D modeling, we have a new snapping. Before anything, where are the snapping options from Blender? I have Blender 5.0 here, and if you take a look on this menu, you will see a list with all of the available snapping options. We have increment, edge face, edge center, and edge perpendicular. Now, the new feature will appear right here. Let's change to Blender 5.1, the beta version. And here I have Blender 5.1. Let me zoom in so you can take a look into the version on the lower right corner. And if we take a look into that exact same menu here, you will see that we have an additional option called Face Center. And as you can imagine, it will grab the center point of any faces in Blender. So if you have, for instance, an object that you want to align with your model, you can capture and align it with the face center. Let's use a really simple example here so I can demonstrate the new feature. It's really simple but useful, really useful if you want to use Blender for anything related to architecture or design, work with precise 3D modeling. Now what I want to do here is to grab this point here, this vertex, and align it with the center of this face. So let's see how it works. If you want, you can just enable the snapping here. Let's enable the face center and vertex. You can press and hold the shift key to enable both of them. Press the G key and Blender will try to grab it. This is one way to use it, but trust me, you won't be you don't want to keep using the move or transformations like this. The correct way to do this is to enable the snap base. If you press the B key or press G and B, you can grab the vertex and you will be able to align it with the center of this face. And if you want to navigate, you can press and hold the Alt key so you can take a look into where you are trying to align it. Let me zoom in so you can take a better look. You can see we have a circle as the symbol for the face center. And this is it. This is a new snapping option available for Blender 5.1. And if you want to test it right now, you can download Blender 5.1, the beta version already. Let me show you where you can get it. If you open the Blender website, blender.org, and open here the download section, and scroll down all the way to download Blender Experimental, you will see that you will have options to download Blender 5.1, the beta version. And this is it. This is the location where you can grab your copy of Blender 5.1. But remember, this is a beta version. It's still under development, so you don't really want to use this for anything other than testing Blender or new features. In any case, I'll leave links in the description in case you want to download Blender, this exact same version that I used for this tutorial. And by the way, if you want to learn how to use Blender or how to do precise 3D modeling in Blender, I will also leave links in the description for my latest learning resources. I have this book here, Blender 5, Precise Modeling for Architecture, Engineering, and 3D printing, where I explain how to use Blender as a CAD tool. This book is available in many different translations. You can get it in German, French, Spanish, and Italian. You can download sample pages from here. And I will also leave links for my workshop, Precise Modeling with Blender. It's a 10-hour workshop where I explain, again, step by step, how to use Blender as a CAD tool. Links in the description. It will support my work here in Blender 3D Architect. So I hope you liked this tutorial. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time. Bye.